guys, welcome to Lolly's cooking channel. You're welcome. How are you guys doing? How's your day? Do you want to learn how to make samosa? Stay with me. Let's make this samosa together. Very crispy. Let's make it together. I'm going to be making a vegetable filling for my samosa. So what I need is I need my sweet corn, peas, black pepper, oregano, seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, my curry. I need salt, onions, cabbage, and soy sauce. So, and I'm also having hidden here, I have my spring onions. So this is what we'll be using for the vegetable filling. In our cabbage, after rinsing, see the proper way to dice your cabbage. You can so I'm pouring it in the bowl. I think I'm going to be doing the whole thing. So you see this you don't need. So this is well diced now. Pouring it in my bowl. I'll be grating my carrots. I have a little grater. You can use your processor or use anything. So I'm going to be using this to grate my carrots with this side. So this is it. We're done. So the next thing, setting this aside. The next thing is our onions and spring onions. So I'm going to be grating the onions and spring onions. I'm going to be dicing this. Chopping. How many of you like spring onions? Put it in the comment section if you like spring onions in your food. So next I'm going in with my onions. You can put garlic if you're a fan of garlic, but I know that a lot of people does not eat garlic. So I'm not going to be putting in garlic. This. So I'm putting on my fire. I'm using a wider bowl so that it can go in, or I turned my fire on. I'm going to be pouring a little of my oil in. I don't want too much. So I will allow it to get hot for a minute. So my oil is hot enough, so I will be going in with my onion. You can hear the so I'm adding my onion. I'll be adding some salt in. I'm going in with my spring onions. I don't want to. I want it. I don't want to see it. So, and I'm going to allow it to saute. I'll be going in with my green beans and corn. My green beans is a little hard. That's why I have to put it in earlier. So I'm going to allow it to cook. So I'm going to be going in with my cabbage. You know that when you boil your cabbage, it has some bitter taste. We'll be getting rid of that. I'll be going in with my carrots too. So I'm going to allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Let's mix it together. So I'll be throwing in my bay leaf and allow it to cook. So I'm going to be pouring my oregano in, my black pepper, seasoning, vegetable seasoning, my soy sauce, curry. I'm going to be covering it up, mixing them together. It still needs to get a little tender. I'll cover it up and allow it to cook. So I'm going to be putting in salt to taste. Even without the salt, if you taste it, you will know that wow, it's ready. Mm, mm, wow. So it's ready. I'm going to turn it off. So if you want to put a little chili in, it's okay, but just a little. So just spice it up. So we are done cooking. Please do give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. So we are going to be draining it. I don't need the liquid. There is liquid in, just a little. So I'm going to be pouring it in my sift and drain it out. So I'm going to be pouring it in my sift now to remove the excess liquid. So here is it. Mm, so nice. Mm. You can even eat it alone like this without using it for your samosa or your spring roll. So we'll be using this for vegetable samosa and our spring rolls. Okay, thank you.